live English. Learn it, write it, sing it, say it, and live it. Hi friends, how are you? So we want to see what's in the mystery box. Whoa, we have a bus today. So we have bus. Super! We have letter B and bus. Good job. So we have with us bus and boy. Yeah. Good job. We have a bus and boy. Super. So we learned bus and boy, and we have butterfly. Great. So we have bus, boy, and butterfly. Good job. Amazing. So what else do we have today? We have ball. Super. We have a bus, boy, butterfly, and ball. Good job, we did it. Now we have learned today bus, boy, butterfly, and ball. Good. So we know the letter B sounds bus, boy, butterfly, and ball. Great.